is Wendy the Witch. Today is a special day. It is my best friend's birthday. I'm going to help make a party for her. I need to make a special spell in my cauldron. First, I have to go shopping to buy the ingredients.
Hello. May I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. 6 frogs' legs, please.
Here you are. 3 gold coins, please.
Thank you. And 8 zombie eyeballs, please.
Here you are. That's 6 silver coins, please.
What is in the jar?
Bat's wings.
How much are they?
1 silver coin per wing.
Okay. 6 bat's wings, please. Do you have a monster's finger?
Yes, I do.
How much is it?
It's 5 gold coins.
Oh, that's expensive. I'll take it. Do you have any spider's legs?
Yes. Do you want red or green?
Red, please.
Okay. 2 gold coins, please.
Thank you. Back at home. It's party time. Let's make a potion. Yippee! It has worked. It's a balloon-making potion. Oh no! It won't stop! What a fun party!